In talking about hot oil treatment, not until I got this question from my DM. So this person says, what did you mean by hot oil? Good. Hot oil treatment is a kind of treatment you give to your scalp and your hair when you feel like your hair is not responding anymore, you're having thinning hair, your hair is not growing. That is when hot oil treatment comes in. Okay, I'm going to illustrate it here, so watch this video to the end. So this is my hair growth oil. Yeah, I'm going to use this as my hot oil treatment. Please listen and listen very careful. So this is my bowl. I'm going to pour this oil here, the amount that I want. I'm going to put the oil here. Then I'm going to use double boiler method. I'm going to boil water in a pot, put water in the pot, and place this inside that pot. Then cook it for some minutes. And also this oil will be that hot. After like 20 minutes, you take it off. Part your hair into 4 sections. Apply this oil. How to use it? It's very simple. If in case you don't have applicator bottle, and if you have, pour it inside, yes, and then apply it on your scalp, then massage it, cover it for 30 or 45 minutes before you wash it off with your shampoo. You can do this during your wash day. Yeah, you can just do this during your wash day. And if you don't have applicator bottle, you can use any other thing around you, then apply it on your scalp, cover it. When it is 30 minutes or an hour, you can wash it off with your mild shampoo. That is what we call hot oil treatment. You get it? Like I share this video and see my next video.